Whoa, welcome back. Hey, yo, happy Sunday. Are you still up? Oh, boy. I hope you don't have a report due tomorrow. Do you have that crippling anxiety right now? No. I'll wait until Sunday. Yeah, no, I'll get it in. No, the boss is out next week. Excuse me. No, the boss is out next week. I'll be fine. You knew that. You heard that on Friday. That's what you thought. And then what happened? You looked at your email. Oh, the boss is going to be in on Monday. You got to get that thing in. What is it, a project? Is it a TPS report? Is it just an Excel document? Do you just got to crunch the numbers for Sam? Good Lord. Sam, stop sending out Excel documents. I have nothing that I want to talk about today. I do want to talk about how it's my fault. Somehow my payment lapsed with a Bluehost. I'll just get that out of the way. Forget that you heard that. And now know that they decided to delete my entire website. Right? Come on. Even storage. God, sorry. I got the cough filter on. Even Storage Wars gives you more than a year before they start selling your stuff, right? What do they do to mine? Well, first of all, I'm on the telephone. You can't really hear me. Let me get back to narration.
All right, we're back, people. I don't know. Can you even hear me? Is this even a real podcast? No, it's a padcast. You know it's a padcast. Come on, we have any music here? Stop messing around. Where's the real deal? Fast forward, get some good stuff. We need some. Let me get some copyright-free techno. Copy-free music, hip-hop. Yeah, here we go. I want some drums. Boom. You got some Twitch stuff. You know they're not. That's scary. Some drums. Hold on. Stand by to stand by.
$1 million grind, time to put it all to work now.
I don't like it. Here we go.
How the fuck I let you slip away?
Whoa, beep.
Don't give a fuck.
Wow, is this the F word? The F word track? I'm not finding any music that I want to listen to right now. I have to put my own stuff on. Maybe I should get some... Actually, I might have an instrumental. Let me see if I have one. Nah, it's not good stuff, though. You have something? Hey, if you got something, put it in the chat. I'll play it for you. No? All right. Let's find something else then. Here, upbeat hip-hop. Here we go. No copyright. Let's check this out. It's from Asylum Audio Labs. Yeah, if there's no lyrics, this would be cool. Oh, nice. All right, ready? And now, you know I'm bringing the heat. You know I'm bringing the heat. Brought to you by Dancing Bacons. Are you ready for this one? 3, 2, 1. Give me that transition. Boo. Pizza vending machine. Pizza vending machine ready in 3 minutes. It's ready in 3 minutes. Pizza vending machine. Pizza vending machine is ready in 3 minutes. If you're in Germany, press that button. Wait for that pizza. Put in 100,000 yen. Whatever denomination you need in your vending, you better put it in if you are wanting pizza. In 3 minutes, 24 hours a day, yeah. This machine is making a mechanical noise. Hold on, let's see if we can hear that. Let me pause this. We want to hear this noise. I don't know if this is even legit. Is this a simulation? Back up. Give me this noise. You ready? Bring you the noise, people. Whirring. That's what you were looking for. Whirring. Whir. I was worrying it was going to mess up my pizza. What's it doing in there? Is that robot washing its hands? Look at that. Looks like Johnny Five. Small peanut. Yeah, right? You really want you want your pizza to come out of that? You know some people have put their penis in that. Whirring. Come on, they could have had that up top. The screen could have been like a fire, moving fire. I wonder what they're doing. Next we're gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can find one. Look at that. See, this could have been fire. Like showing a pizza, not the one that's in there. It could. That's version 2. But this one, just like a pre-made, make you think that's yours, right? On the top, you could say like the translation of what's in Mandarin here is, this is your pizza. All right, let's watch it come out of the bottom. You think it's gonna come out? Or is it gonna get jammed up? Cheese all in the thing. Cheese all in the works. Oh, I can't wait. I'm worrying it's not gonna happen. Is there a little Asian dude in there making his pizza? Flipping it? I do wonder sometimes if there's not just a person in there doing it all. Some of these vending machines are in rows, and you could totally have a whole crew behind there, and it looks like it's going on. You're pressing the button, and it's really just a facade. Is that what's going on? Is this a vending machine facade, people? I'll tell you what, it's got to be one of the more boring vending machines. Where's all the whirring? Come on, you need to have some advertisements up here. Here, I'll put some music on for you in the background while we're waiting for the pizza. Hold on, no, I got it. You don't have to worry about this. You'd think I'd have it queued up, right? No. Pizza in the pizza in the is it gonna come out?
A million, one a trillion, or just a billion. Laying on sheets, thread counts in the zillions. Leonard's the Benjamins, got a minute and a stack up the infinite like some sinister villains coming unlimited.
I bet it and get it back.
Laces of prism, consider propelling down the walls and the ceiling. Just know I got that shit encrypted in triplicate. Got the coins and the silver, man, losing track of all the commas and the zeros I'm dealing with. When looking for the ball, bitch, you thought wrong. Money in the bank, you could bet, it's all lost. Money in the bank, you know.
I feel like I broke it. Oh my goodness, yeah I did. I'm 60s playing vocal right now. Let's get that from the same. I need to make a phone call.
Ring. Hey, yeah. Is this support for the pizza machine? How long do you think I'm supposed to wait out here for this darn pizza? No, I'm from America. Well, I'm from space, but I'm living in America. It's their rules, not mine. But I'm standing outside this. I don't understand this. I don't have my Japanese babblefish. What is this saying? How long? Hold on. Stand by to stand by. I'll tell you. I'll read it off to you. No, I don't have the language filter for this. Yes, pizza self machine. Yes, no. I got the 1280 yen. Or yan. Yan can. Excuse me. Yan can cook. How about I do this? We're gonna fast forward this. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it was a couple more minutes, people. I forgot we can fast forward it on Earth. In Mars, you can't do that. Ready? Here we go. Oh, zoom in. Enhance. Look at that. Ready in 3 minutes. We've been sitting here for 12 minutes. Double the time. Oh wait, is that what he said? Or she? Finally ready, and it took double the time. Yeah. This is how I know robots aren't taking over the planet anytime soon. I mean, they might, but you'll be able to see them coming. Look at this burnt ass pizza, only on half of it. You can't even consistently mess up a pizza. You can try and take our lives. You mess up, end up taking out most of the bot army. Look at this. Let me see the bottom. I'm a pizza connoisseur. Let me see the bottom. What do you bet? It's not crispy. It's underdone. The outside of that crust. I don't know what they're making that crust with. Look at this. They got so many utensils. What's this? A fabric cutter? Are you making footballs out of felt? Oh, it's a little tiny pizza cutter. That's not wasteful at all. That's so cute. But watch, when you see the bottom of this crust, I guarantee it. I can't, actually, if this is in Japan, the Japanese, even though their food is flavorless, they can make it look picture perfect. I was gonna say look at that cheese. Yeah, I ain't done, brother. No, I was gonna say Pitch Perfect with that great movie. Look at this, so gummy. Look at the bottom. Please show me the bottom. I want to see it. Oh, I want to see it. Look at this, so underdone. Yeah, show me the cheese. AI is trying to get it right. No. Wow, it tastes like a freshly made pizza from a restaurant. How much do they pay? Oh, here we go. Ah, alright. Oh, so they did put it on a screen. That's the trick, people. If you're getting into the pizza biz, take that home. No, don't throw it away. You know they're just recycling that. Come on. Take that home with you. Hold on. Oh, I thought they were like, hey, the next pizza we got was moldy. No, if you're clicking on the button that says moldy pizza, blue moldy cheese, Edam cheese, hard cheese, brie cheese. Alright. Well, for my listeners, and my listeners only, we're going to watch this. Bill Burr's listeners will do it for them too. That's it. No one else. Look at this. Missed opportunity, right? Where's the fire? Look at this little pizza guy. Where's the animation? All this thing can do is make pizza. You can't even make this damn thing animate. I'm not buying pizza from this. It's cheap. Look at this. Hey. I wonder if they really do have a fire in there. This guy's watching it now. He said it was double the time last time. What were they doing in there? Are there really miniature people in here putting this pizza together? I bet we're gonna see them. If you keep watching, I bet you'll see someone's hand. Look at that. Is that a hand? Oh, they must have had. Is this the Little Caesars one? Are they hot and ready? Wow, whatever this is was a lot faster. Pew! Release pizza. Look, it looks like Wall-E, doesn't it? Like a mean policeman robot pizza. Oh, there it is. You gotta be kidding me. Change. Oh, yeah, see? AI enhances it. They got it done. Okay, so we've seen pizza. This is boring. You're like, pizza's been done. It's almost like that Bare Naked Ladies song. It's all been done. What about vending machine that fries food? I got to take this back to how awesome you are. Did you know you're awesome? You can do anything. You can start your own vending machine business. Become very successful. Get enough money to buy another one. Get rid of your old one and give it to me. With all the instructions, it's already broken in, and I'll just put it in my house. And I'll tell you what, anytime you come by, I'll give you a code, free food. Yeah, you could eat the whole thing. We'll be taking a walk down memory lane. Oh my goodness, look at this. The French Fry King? Nah, I can't watch that. I want to see the fried food. Maybe it's one I've already seen. Alright, French fry vending machine. Are they frying the fries? Oh, I bet they are. This is pretty easy, but what about a fried sandwich? That's what I don't understand. Okay, hot food vending machine. Let me just see this. 2 years ago, 1 minute. And then we'll go to the next one here. How long is that one? I've seen that one before. French fries, chicken wings. Nah, see, I want to see something that's more than one step. If you had a like a chicken sandwich, you got to fry the sandwich, fry the chicken, and put it in between the bun. Not that difficult, unless you're a machine and you're not entirely sure. Like right here. I think we already saw this one. I'll watch this one. Let's watch this. About a fry vending machine. Alright, 2 minutes. Fry vending machine, then we'll watch the fried chicken. Fries to go.
Here in Port Elgin, Ontario, home of the French fry vending machine. You know my motto, if there's a French fry vending machine, I must try it.
Dude, I like you already, man. Rockin' Ride Read Radio.
Smells
You
pretty.
want to see the whole thing? Here, put some money in.
All right, looks like fries are sliding down there. And they're in a deep fryer. We got the cup here. Let's see how long it takes to make these fries to go.
Oh,
Smells
that's
pretty good,
sweet.
actually.
Look at that, sitting in the deep fryer. What about all those ones that are frozen? Better do a shake operation. Shake, shake, shake. This is why robots aren't
A
taking
deep
over
fryer
yet.
in a vending machine. I've never seen this before.
You can't even finish the old fries. A human would have seen that.
Of course, it's only 11:30 in the morning, but if it was like 4 o'clock in the morning and nothing else was open.
Yeah, it'd be there. The optic nerve in this robot can't process all those Frenchies. Maybe there's going to be a flip operation.
JC's fries.
It knows
vending
this. This is
machine.
how you get some that are the perfect amount of underdone. Here I am being a judgmental human. Watch this. I know. Ooh,
Looks
what
like
do you
there's a
got?
couple of used packs of vinegar in there.
What's that add to the flavor? I bet there's going to be a flip operator. Here we go. Here it is. Yes.
Draining them. Basket's draining them right now. You don't want anything greasy.
No, they're not ready.
Slide right down in here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Right.
You saw that, right, people?
Let's see here.
Let's go to the instant replay.
Looks like
Let's look and see.
there's
Are
a
all of
couple
these
used
done?
packs of vinegar in there.
Look at that. They're all done, right? They're all in the...
Oh, looks like they're done. Draining them. Basket's draining them right now. You don't want anything greasy. And they all
All right.
slide down in here.
Has anyone had these? That leaves a lot to be desired, people. Well, let's see. Does it come with poutine? Come on, people. What's poutine? Look at this. You poutine it on your food, or?
Put some salt on them. They look pretty good. They smell good.
Yeah, you better put salt on that.
Let's
Frozen French fry. You get the frozen one first.
You know what? They taste really good. I think they're onto something. Now, if they can make a poutine vending machine, hang on a second, I just think I got a great idea.
You think he'll be putting it in the next one? Good joke. Here we go. Let's watch this. Last one. Then I'm going to play one last song of my own. You can leave if you're not into vending machines or dope songs. Get out of here. It was a new song, unreleased. I'm just going to play it just for you, my listener, my one listener. You're the only one that's left. It's okay. I'll be alright. I was here before them and you. Look at these sandwiches. Look at these sandwiches. Okay, riddle me this. Do you work in one of these vending machines? Are you the little Asian person inside? I swear to God. Look at this. They're so close together. This is really a facade for a bunch of people working in the back, and then they just drop it through like a mail slot. These people got masks on. That guy's got like a respirator. Yeah. I don't know where they are. I'm gonna assume Japan. Oh, it says Japanese sandwich vending machine. Maybe they're somewhere else, and they just happen to have the Japan 407A vending machine. Yeah, they're fantastic. I don't know how the food comes out so perfect, so hot, so crisp. Double pork cutlet sandwich. $8.45 USD before inflation. $600,000 now. It says bunch of stuff we don't care about. Come on, get to the sandy sand. Open it up. There we go, right here. Look at this. Toilet paper. Flip it open. Now look at this sandwich. Look at the grease. It's 2 days, 3 days old max. Still got some of the crisp. I want to hear the crisp. Can you hear it? Nah. No crunch. So much meat in every bite. Tonkatsu sauce, huh? Wow. Apparently the Japanese aren't into the crust, but they left this one on for the white bread. Oh, here we go. Last bite. Nice. You got dessert? Come on, you doing dessert? Oh yeah, look at this. We gotta watch the whole thing. Who's gonna recycle that? But watch this. He's gonna pick a drink now. Drink vending machine. Yes. Let's get back to narration voice.
Hey, we're back. Wow, number 10. You're not going for 10? Yes. 320. Did you have that much? I saw you change. Whoa. Oh, they got Pepsi. Go for the Diet Pepsi. I saw all the calories you had in that katsu sandwich. It's cute. And you can get coffee in these, brewed like real coffee. I mean, it's hot. Burn your mouth hot. This full course vending machine meal. apple drink, something, main meal, some kind of dessert with eggs. Oh, pancakes. Look at this drink. Odin in a can. Looks like it's got eggs, lemon, chocolate chip cookies, churro. I'm not sure I can get behind this one. I'm going to have to hear the pop. Oh. Wow. Noodles? It's so silly. What is that? Is that the egg? Chicken brain? Lobster? Square fish cake? Quail egg? Yeah. I'm sorry. I can't get behind this. Konjac jelly skewer? Alright, cute apple drink for $1 and 3 USD. Shot glass. Alright, we're skipping. Oh man, he gets more fried food. Hold on, stand by to stand by. Let's back this truck up. I want to see the machine this came out of. Oh, they already had it. Fried food for dessert, people. All right. Who else is thinking about kicking up the fryer right now? I can attest. Only bad things happen kicking up the fryer this late at night. But if you're going to do it anyway, we're going to make some nuggets, people. Making Chick-fil-A nuggets, but better. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, we got a minute. Let's see what they do. Chick-fil-A nuggets. Oh, they're so good. How much sugar do you think they have in these? Raw nuggets. Come in a bag. Milk wash.
That's how you do it, shit, like
seasoning. Yeah, so something to note there is they're probably using peanut oil in that. And they're also using a pressure fryer. So they're able to cook those chicken nuggets, a lot faster. Very fast. What's this? Dave's hot chicken for the first time? Nah. I think we're done. Are we done? I thought there was one song you wanted to hear. It's not Elon and the Dragster. We got taken down last time. Is it GME to the Moon? That's it.
Portfolio going down, but you're buying it dead quick. Yeah, up in the ass, autopilot direct, the SpaceX shit. Elon's fucking rich, haha, you know we're holding high shit. That's all we ride, going to the moon in a spaceship. Elon's got, we're holding high shit. R/Wall Street style, got a whole gang of apes, Simon Hands involved, we're holding high shit. That's the stock. I know your boy is still in and still holding. Listening for real, fucking rich, high shit. That's all we rock. Going to the moon in a spaceship. Elon's got. We're holding high shit. R/Wall Street style. Got a whole gang of apes. I'm in hands and balls. We're holding high shit. That's all we